So the final question, which is F, required that the candidate suggest 5 alternative methods of motivating the employees of Green Sugar Limited other than management training, and the question had 10 marks. So in this question, the candidates were expected to suggest 5 alternative methods of motivating workers, and in this case the examiner indicated that it should not be management training. Management training should not be one of them. So the question required that, and then there are 10 marks. Now what the question requires is that the candidate should be able to demonstrate knowledge of methods of motivation other than training. In Green Sugar Company, there were several challenges which were leading to unrest, and the organization may want to find out how they could be able to motivate workers so that they can expend their energy on productive activities. Now, firstly, recognition of employees. Now, this recognition of employees could be done in various ways. Workers could be appreciated for their contribution to the company in schemes like Long Service Award or Excellence Awards and so on. So that recognition that an employee has done something can be a way of motivating workers. Secondly, conducive work environment. Conducive work environment. A conducive working environment would mean that the activities and the tools that workers use should be conducive for these employees to work and be able to make a productive input in relation to that specific organization. So a conducive work environment could also be one of the alternative methods that employees could be provided with. Thirdly, participation in decision making. Participation in decision making. Workers could be involved in making decisions in teams, making decisions in departments, making decisions in sections and so on. And by so doing, as workers participate in this decision-making process, workers will also be motivated. Fourthly, job design. Strategies. What this implies is that jobs should be designed in such a way that the jobs are challenging. The jobs link with each other, and the jobs provide opportunities for workers to be able to interact with each other, interact with other jobs and so on, travel and so on. That way, workers will feel motivated in relation to challenges that they are able to conquer, and by so doing, that is one way of motivating workers other than using trading. Then, fifthly, employees might also be given impressive job titles. Such impressive job titles can endear these workers to impressive job titles. Impressive job designations can endear these workers so that when workers work with their peers, even from other companies, they feel that they have been recognized through impressive job titles, impressive job designations. So that was the question. Question F, which required a suggestion of 5 alternative methods that employees of Green Sugar Limited could be motivated through other than training. So this then brings us to